explosion for Tommy Johnson Jr. shedding the body.
Oh, hang on, Alan. Alan Brzezinski's chute came out late. That car went upside down into the wall. But a very scary moment for Alan Brzezinski down in the shutdown area.
They leave together. Andy Boll all over the racetrack. Andy Boll, hard contact, left side wall. Andy Boll on his lid, back on four wheels, and Andy Boll is on a wild ride. Oh, off the throttle. No, DJ, don't wreck the new car. Big hit left side. DJ Cox, hard contact. Oh, no. DJ Cox trying to control that race car and just made massive contact. Beau Lane, two legit championship contenders. Wow, they get close together. And Beau Lane going hard into the right side wall in the shutdown area. Oh, my goodness. Beau Lane went drifting across the center line, made hard contact, right side wall, went right in front of Ty Tharp, and is now down there on the top end of the racetrack.
Look at that speed, folks. That's a new record, 261.22.
Fire down there at the big end of the racetrack. The whole nose of the car is engulfed in flames. She is stopped and she is out.
Pro Mod's a little bit hairy. Trying to manage 4,000 horsepower in a suspended short wheelbase car, it's just pretty much a recipe for disaster.
Jose's up by the center line. He punched the cone. Oh, huge crash! Huge crash for Chad Green. The car flying upside down, righting itself on the wheels as it went across the finish line stripe. But Chad Green goes on what is arguably the wildest ride of his driving career.
Todd Tutterow, Stephen Whiteley, they are right together, wheel to wheel. Tutterow towards the left side wall, and Tutterow over into Whiteley. They collide. Five-thou advantage going to Erica Enders. Oh, Jeremy Ray on his lid. Jeremy Ray hard into the right side wall, and Jeremy Ray is back on four wheels and across the track into the left side wall. We saw the entire undercarriage of the car. Wow, what a moment here. Round one, first pair. Jeremy really trying to win that race.
She has grabbed 600s, but she's going to the center line, and Gianna's going to have to lift. She actually goes over the line, and now she goes down at the top end of the racetrack. Gianna Salinas down at the top end. Check it out. She gets up and walks back over to her motorcycle. A very scary ride. She tumbles through the shutdown area and gets up and walks over to greet the safety safari.
And they're going to, a horrendous explosion for Leah down there. An amazing job, maintains control, keeps it in her lane. First 100 feet and a violent explosion. You saw Jim Campbell cross the center line. So it will be Tommy Johnson. For Tommy Johnson Jr., a cylinder out on the left side of the engine, and Mount Vesuvius erupted for a second time. Oh, a huge explosion for Tim Wilkerson. The body removed from the chassis.